Right, students, so that's interesting. So some of you have got really confused with the pronunciation and the differences between the American English and the British English. So that's interesting. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do right now in the class. All right, so we're gonna practice some of the differences between the American English and the British English. So I have already given you this list of words. This is what we're gonna practice today. Okay, so see, it was interesting to see that some words are of the same spelling, but it is pronounced differently in American English and in British English. And some of the words are pronounced the same way, whereas the spelling is really different. Now I'm going to show you a projection, a presentation, and that will give you these ideas, like some of the words which are different in pronunciation, respective of the spelling, and sometimes the pronunciation is same and spelling is different. And remember, this is very important to get it pronounced correctly. If you're going to England and you're saying, give me my, for example, the first word, give me my schedule. But schedule is actually American English, so British people will have hard time to get it out. Figure it out. So then you come to America and you say, can I have my schedule, please? So again, the American people will have hard time to figure out what is actually the schedule, whereas the spelling is same, but it should be pronounced differently. But at the same time, when you're writing, sometimes you may have a mixture of spelling. For example, just look at the second word, color, which is C-O-L-O-R, color. This is American spelling, whereas the British spelling is C-O-L-O-U-R. So, but the sound is same, it's color, but the spelling is different. So when you're writing in America and you say C-O-L-O-U-R, actually they see it as incorrect. So this is what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you a presentation that's going to give you a pretty good idea, and we have lots of words for the following classes. So let's have a look at it, and before we go for the projection, I'm going to hand out these vocabs to you so that when you look at it, you can also have a clear idea which word actually is going to play. So here is the handout for you, and we're going to the presentation right now. So as I said, that when you're listening to someone speaking, you might understand that this guy is actually speaking the British English, or this guy is having an American accent. So it's very understandable to, or it's easy to identify the British accent and the American accent. But in terms of pronunciation, can you show the differences? But this lesson will actually teach you some of the major differences, although it depends on the person and his background, his origin. Okay, so let's look at the presentation.
American English have some differences in the stress of certain words. Listen to the pronunciation. First, the British English, and then the American English. Adult, adult. Ballet, ballet. Brochure, brochure. Garage, garage. Vaccine, vaccine. Advertisement, advertisement. Hospitable, hospitable. Some words ending in ILE are also different. Agile, agile. Fertile, fertile. Hostile, hostile. Mobile, mobile. Versatile, versatile. The sound of the letter A is also different in some words, where the British pronounce it ah and the Americans pronounce it ah. Listen to the difference. Bath, bath. Laugh, laugh. Class, class. chance, chance, ask, ask, after, after, can't, can't, example, example. The sound of the letter R is also a little bit different. The R is pronounced stronger in American English. Listen to the difference. Hard, hard, were, ear, ear, pure, pure, more, chair, chair, bar. Words ending in ization are also pronounced differently. Civilization, civilization, organization, organization, authorization, authorization, globalization, globalization. The verb form of all these words ends in eyes. In both British and American English, it's pronounced globalize. But British English continues this same pronunciation in the noun form, globalization. And American English changes the sound of the letter I, globalization. Finally, the T sound in the middle of the word can be different in British and American English. In this situation, Americans often pronounce the letter T like a quick D sound. Listen to the difference. Better, better, water, water, hated, hated, writing, writing, bottom, bottom, native, native, artificial, artificial, notice, notice.
Alright, so these are some of the major differences, and there are more we're gonna come. Now, look at the screen right now. So this is where you go right now. It's www.quizalize.com. Now, the things we practiced, and we're gonna do a little more practice here, and you have this link on your computer screen. So just go to the student section, and then we're gonna see and practice what we learned. And after that, we're gonna have more activities coming up. So best of luck and enjoy.